Hi, I'm Damien from Graphico and you're watching the Friday Wrap. Well, I've got our budget track car behind me, as you've seen before, but we've been working on the opposite of that this week with the brand new Porsche GT4. That's been fully wrapped at the front in the XPEL paint protection film to save that from stone chips on the track. And then we've put some pretty cool graphics there for Code Black Coffee all over the car, including a new color that we haven't used before, which is a color flip color, which changes from gold to green to blue as you move around the car. So certainly going to stand out as it's whizzing around Phillip Island. Well, Carl Jr. is a new brand to Australia and they've brought their vehicle in and we've fully wrapped that in their company graphics and branding. Some pretty juicy large scale burger graphics there, making everyone in the office very hungry and certainly a great way to reflect your brand. And finally, we've had a brand new Nissan Navara come in from Essendon Nissan. That's had some very cool graphics placed all over the car that the design team has designed. Great way to reflect your brand, as we always say here at Graphico, and I'm sure you'll see that driving around Melbourne. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.